Hello. Today I'm preparing spaghetti with lavender datarino tomatoes, zucchini, tagliasca olives, and tuna in olive oil. Prepare a pot with boiling salted water. Cut the zucchini in oil into pieces about 2 centimeters long. Cut the tuna in olive oil into 2 centimeters pieces. In a pan, put extra virgin olive oil along with a crushed garlic clove, keeping its skin on. Once the extra virgin olive oil is fragrant, remove the garlic clove, add the cherry tomatoes, zucchini, tagliasca olives, and a pinch of lavender. Drain the pasta al dente and finish cooking it in the sauce. Plate everything. For this dish, I was inspired by Mediterranean cuisine. The sweetness of the pasta's carbohydrates balances with the saltiness of the tuna in olive oil.